Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a powerful miracle healing drink. This drink will help to detoxify you, purify your blood, cleanse your body and skin from any blemish so that you can glow. Continue watching to find out how I make this wonderful drink. To make this wonderful drink, I'll be using beetroot. This is a great blood purifier, which is good for keeping your skin healthy. It contains vitamin C, which will help in clearing any blemish from your skin. I'll be using carrot. Carrots contain vitamin C. It will help to improve your skin complexion, and it's also good for clearing up any breakage from your skin. I'll be using orange. Orange is packed with vitamin A and C. It has high beta-carotene, which will help to keep your skin looking younger. I'll be adding pear. Pear contains a lot of vitamin C and other minerals. It will help your immunity to fight against acne or any skin infection. You can replace the pear with apple. The next step is to peel and wash the carrots. Then I will cut the pear and remove the seed. Then set aside. I will also peel the orange. I have already washed the beetroot, so I will peel the skin and cut it into pieces. So I will start juicing the fruit and vegetables. If you don't have a juicer, you can also cut into smaller pieces and blend, then sieve to get the juice. You can see how colorful this juice is. This juice will help to cleanse your bloodstream and flush out any toxin from your system. I hope you can see how easy it is to make this juice. This juice will help to cleanse, purify your blood, skin, and also clear out any blemish and tone your skin. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.